All right, where are we going? We're going out this afternoon. I have my daughters with me, 2 out of 3. Kevin, when the last time I went in there midday, Kevin had not come off of the roost. So we are in a position where it could be that Kevin is still stuck up in the rafters. So we're going to go in and we're going to check and see if Kevin is still stuck in the rafters. If so, we're going to try and bring her down. And here you go, my hat-mounted videographer.
Hey, I see her.
Is she up there?
She's very tall.
Of course, we have everybody here trying to escape the heat of the day. Kevin?
Oh, warm.
Kevin, we need you down there, honey. You need to be a ground bird, baby. All right. There's only one way up. I didn't bring gloves, so oh well.
It's okay, she's friendly.
No, I was really thinking more moving the pieces of furniture that are... Oh, leave me alone.
Love birds.
Let's do this. I think we don't want to scare
You
her
broke an egg.
back. All of you chickens could use to come down.
It's hot in here.
It is hot, and I don't have anything to drink. And I'm not putting water up there, but you know what you may do is maybe I'll grab some of them and throw them down.
Oh, these are the chickens from...
Well, yeah, I think they're all...
Yeah. They're all the band one.
I understand this may be a lot of a shock for them, but, you know, still.
You could just take them and toss them down.
Yeah,
They may not fully realize.
Let's stay down here and get out of here. All right, Kevin, we're trying you first, sweetie. How you doing? What are you doing, darling? Yeah, I know. It's awfully hot up here. Can we bring you someplace better? Why don't you come on? Come this way. You come with me? Let's see if we can do the old falcon move. No, no, no. That's not allowed.
Receive her?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just getting her feet under her.
Oh, I don't like this ankle. Her feet. She'll grab your hand.
Yeah, she'll kind of grab one of your hand. There you go. I'll just set her down right out in the...
I want to go find you something
Right
hot.
there.
Hi, sweet pea.
You're so good.
I don't know that I'm going to be able to reach the others easily.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me go ahead and add some water into this tank.
Okay.
Overflow it.
I don't know how to. No. I know, Kev.
You watch her.
No. You're not going inside.
Is Kevin trying to go back?
Yes.
Trying to run away?
Go get water.
Okay, should I knock some of Kevin's friends down here with her?
I think so.
Alright, I'm getting a stick. Now I've got a few who are coming down after her.
Huh? She's starting a revolution.
I wonder if she's the leader of the pack.
Probably. She's the biggest.
Maybe I should put some water in here too.
Go. No, they'll figure it out.
Maybe start with a thing of like that black kind of thing, because getting
Go out in the
that.
sun. Go see the sunshine.
Putting it, because this is not the easiest concept to grab. If you've never had water that big.
Maybe I should just dump this. I probably should have thought of that before I started pulling it.
No, Kevin.
Kevin! Kevin!
Left the door open.
God damn it.
Where'd she go?
We left the door open. Wind's making my hat blow up. Look, it's a bunch of chickens. Get back in. I went over this way. Go.
I'm gonna stand out here.
Okay, I'm just going to come up here. You can come here and stand there and protect yourself. I'm going to try and chase them all out of here. It may include pushing them out so they will fly down. So that could be exciting. Okay, everybody. Huh, that didn't work the way I thought. I did not chase them down.
You chase them up.
Unfortunately.
I'd say half and half.
There goes one.
Oh, well, you jumped.
You may want to come back more toward that door. I got 4 of them here, and I'm going to try and chase them.
I don't think this is the prettiest thing to be trying to
Okay, so let's go with, we put some of their friends on the ground. They will see their friends on the ground.
Maybe.
Like her. Okay. I say we take that win.
I would like, if we can, to grab Kevin and shove Kevin's head in water. Kevin is a very large animal to have not had any water at all today.
Well, why don't we just instead get a bowl of water and
That
put
would
it down
work.
here for now? So I'd say take that little bowl of food bowl right there.
This guy?
Yeah, fill it up. Put it over here. And set it down on the ground. And let them come get it.
Hi, birds.
Okay. That will at least band-aid it. I would imagine we'll pretty quickly find that.
Okay.
Maybe we want to set it right here so it's visible from above too. And they can see the other birds drinking. The birds up above can see better. We almost had one girl all the way over.
Alright. Now I need to leave it alone.
Yep. We've got this camera over here too, and that is running, so we'll keep an eye out and make
Do you
sure.
have a timer?
Yeah.
It'll just take probably less than 5 minutes.
Oh, you're out here.
What is she
Your
doing
mother
out
has
here?
come out here.
Without her walker.
Great. Without a walker, without any other support, you're out here to see us. She's on the ground now. She's fine. We brought her down.
She's got water
She
now.
has water down on the ground now.
Oh, hi, Billy. Is that your baby?